joining with my teamwork to do the VC project. And for my role, I am a QA tester and I commit myself to do the VC success.
Hello everyone, my name is Sinathan and for my role in this project is UI manager. And I'm very excited to start working on this project and I want to express my commitment to its success. I understand that this project can successfully depend on each team member contribution. So my commitment is an active and share my idea to my team member to help motivate them and inspire them. And I can believe that the hard work and collaboration can make the team is successful in this project.
Hello guys, my name is Brandon. For this VC project, I am a Scrum Master in my team. I feel so excited for this project, and I promise myself I will bring my over 1 years of experience in web programming and with my strong skill set in the coding and the problem-solving skills to build a perfect project for our team. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanda. For roles in my VC project, I am a Scrum Master. I'm so excited that I can choose my group by myself and I can work with my beloved teamwork. I have strong commitment to be work hard and try to help my team as much as that I can, and related to my roles, I can help my team to deploy projects on the cloud with as a student. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm a student of class Vue.js 2023 and also I'm a member of one a virtual company project that we can call VC. And for this project, I will work as a code quality manager that I need to be sure that the code in our project are clean and it's not messy. And for my commitment, I will help my team to build the project with a strong and clean code. Thank you.